Hi, may I have your consent to use this video?
Yes, you do.
Thank you. What do you come to see me for?
I came here to see you because I want to heal my womb, get my period back in track, and treat my vision.
Okay, so how long did your period stop coming?
My period has stopped coming for 2 months.
Alright, and how many acupuncture treatment did you do?
I did 3 acupuncture treatments.
Okay, when did your period start coming again?
Right after the 3rd treatment.
Okay, that is very good. So, how did the acupuncture needle feel like?
At first, it feels like a little pinch, and then it feels like energy running between the needles.
Alright, it's not scary, right? The needles are not.
No, it's not at all.
Okay, good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.